The rumor of the day, at least I'm seeing it today, that guy right there, Austin Forkner, to Triumph. And I don't think it'd be all that bad. And correct me if I'm wrong. If you know something about his contract, or if if he's staying with PC, whatever, comment down below, tell me something. And obviously, as far as this comes from, it's from Cooksey, so take it with a grain of salt that it is. I'm not going to say this is real. I'm not going to say this is expected or whatever. This is just a fun exercise in the rumor mill of why not? Obviously, Triumph has the seat that Evan Ferry left, so not the worst thing. It is a Monster Energy sponsored ride, so he wouldn't have to change that sponsor. Obviously, Fox, that'd be a big one, but it'd be kind of a funny thing. And the question also becomes, do they have a 450 ready? Maybe he moves to the 450 if they got that bike. Maybe he gets the 250 ride. I don't know. I think it'd be kind of funny because, yes, he is, how do you want to word this? Very talented, very fast, should be a title contender every single year that he's on that bike. It's just going to be the question of if he can ever actually finish a season. Get on the bike, be fast, be competitive, be consistent, and not get injured. That's the main thing. Who knows? Obviously this year he definitely looked like the guy to beat. He should have won the championship. And then, as he does every season since he's been, I think it's the last 7 seasons, maybe something like that, injured himself. Season over, motocross, not racing again, off the bike for 6, 7 months, who knows? And I don't know. It'd be a fun exercise to see if he does go to a different bike, different team, different, reset everything. You're not on the same team you've been with for the last 10 years. You're not on the same people. You're not on the same, schedule, whatever. If you can go to a different team, different bike, different manufacturer, and just reset your career. I mean, he's been in the 250s for a very long time now, and it's becoming one of those things that's like, when do you either move up or how long are you going to be able to stay here? I don't know. It's just going to be, to me, it'd be a fun rumor. I think it's cool. If it happens, that's huge. If it doesn't, obviously, it's a rumor. But like I said, I want to hear from you guys. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. Would you think this would be good, bad? Obviously, from who it's from, how much do you believe this, or whatever it is. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.